Hello and welcome to our video about robotics and artificial intelligence. Today, we will explore the fascinating world of robotics and AI and how they are shaping the world we live in. Robotics is a field of engineering and science that deals with the design, construction, and operation of robots. Robots are machines that are programmed to perform various tasks, either autonomously or under the control of a human operator. They can be used for a wide range of applications, including manufacturing, healthcare, and space exploration. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a field of computer science that deals with the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. AI can be categorized into two types: narrow or weak AI, and general or strong AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform specific tasks, while general AI can perform any intellectual task that a human can. Robotics and AI are changing the world in many ways. In manufacturing, robots are being used to perform tasks that are repetitive and dangerous for humans, increasing productivity and safety. In healthcare, robots are being used for surgeries, rehabilitation, and elderly care. In space exploration, robots are being used to explore other planets and moons, gathering data that can help us understand the universe better. AI is also changing the world in various ways. In finance, AI is being used to analyze financial data, detect fraud, and make investment decisions. In transportation, AI is being used to develop self-driving cars that can reduce accidents and traffic congestion. In education, AI is being used to personalize learning experiences for students, helping them learn at their own pace. The future of robotics and AI is exciting and full of possibilities. With advances in technology, robots will become more sophisticated, and AI will become more intelligent. We can expect to see more robots in our daily lives, performing tasks that were once considered impossible or too dangerous for humans. Robotics and AI are changing the world in many ways, and their impact will only continue to grow in the future. As we continue to explore these fields, we must also consider the ethical implications of developing intelligent machines and ensure that they are designed to benefit humanity. Thank you for watching this video on robotics and AI, and don't forget to subscribe.